All right. So a new hospital has been built in northwest of the town. How will you define hotel over here? Which direction? I want you to give me one sentence to tell me the location of hotel in this map.
The hotel is located in the southeast of the town.
Mhm. Yes. Okay. Park is just east of the new hospital, and the restaurant has been constructed to the east of the new hospital, right? To the southeast of the town, a hotel has been developed. This is how you can just talk about different things in a particular map. So, new street has been laid, stretching from east to southwest. This is the east side, from east to southwest, right? So the parking area is across the chemistry block. Words like across. These prepositions are going to help you a lot, right? Behind and run through, center, okay? These words are going to help you. Next to, adjacent to, beside, opposite to, near, close, between. Between, if you are using, there should be two things only, okay? And located southeast area, situated lies, region, sector, section. So again, the point is that only how you can just demonstrate them that you are good at vocabulary as well. So keep reviewing these words. That's the only thing. Yeah, see here. You look at this picture. Science, laboratories, and lecture theater. There is an overlap. But if I didn't show you, would you be able to describe it in this way only? If I didn't show you, no. So you have to focus over here in the class now, right? So that you can also use these words. Then here we have this library connects to is I think a simple collocation you can use it. And we have the next one joins leads to and we have run path and to. Okay, so this kind of structure. Intersects this word cuts through, right? Now what should be the strategy to write your task one? Let's discuss about it. Jasmeet, could you please switch on your camera? Keep your camera on throughout, Jasmeet. So we discussed about it yesterday as well, as far as I remember, right? That introduction you have to write in the beginning, and that is nothing but paraphrasing of your question statement. And if I say paraphrasing, that means you have to be very mindful. Don't repeat words from the question statement. Okay? Either you change part of speech. It's not necessary that you are using a different word in the sense synonym only. You can change the part of speech, right? If I say attention, suppose, I'm just giving you a vague example right now. Attention. Now you can't recall what other word I can use instead of attention, which delivers the same meaning. What you can do, you can change the part of speech. Make it attend. Attend is a verb. Make it attentive. That is your adjective. Make it attentively. That is your adverb, right? So that's what is important over here. So part of speech also, if you change, then also it will be considered as paraphrasing. Otherwise, what they do, they don't include those words which you use from the question in your word count. Okay, so that's the reason you have to use different words. Overview is nothing but summary. And again, you need not to mention any data over here. When you talk about the overview, don't include numbers. Just talk about start and end, talk about highest and lowest data points. Paragraph 3 will focus on the key points, and we have discussed about the key points yesterday, right? And then we have paragraph 4, again, rest of the things. And one thing I just want to make clear over here, it is not always necessary that you write only 4 paragraphs. You can make it 5 as well. If you think it will add on to the readability, right? It will improve your readability. Don't ignore this part because you won't believe once you are done with writing and you go back and check your work, you will find there are many errors. Now, how do we write introductions? This is where we are today. Okay, that's the most important thing here. You have to paraphrase, never copy the question language exactly. Okay, use synonyms, change word order, use different sentence structure, change part of speech, keep it short and to the point. They just want to see if you have enough vocabulary, enough knowledge about grammar that you can paraphrase something. You can describe something using your own words. 1 or 2 sentences are enough, 2 to 3 minutes. You should devote not more than that. Okay, here is the example. You can see it's just one sentence long. Graph shows data from this year with forecasts up to 2030 on US population's energy consumption. We have already seen this graph if you